The industrial water cleaner and desalinator. The device. The device consists of a main bucket with 3 individual filters attached through the respective pipes. There is a sealed Tupperware container at the bottom of the bucket, with another pipe leading into the container from the top of the bucket. A plastic sheet will be placed at the top of the bucket where the water will be condensed in the second stage of the process. After the water goes through the first part of the process and is collected at the bottom, the 3D printed part will enable the water that is condensed at the plastic sheet to be led into this container, which will then be poured out through a hose. Here you can see the 3D printed part, which functions as a weight so that the condensed water can be funneled into the pipe leading into the Tupperware.
This device is geared towards industrial plants that want to lessen their environmental impact. Everyday industrial processes produce toxins that are mixed with the water that is subsequently returned to the environment, thus slowly destroying ecosystems. By simply filtering and desalinating water to a state that is neutral to ecosystems, negative environmental impacts can be greatly reduced. As an added incentive to the plants that install the system, costs can be cut by combining this process with a recycle system that will reduce the cost of pumping new water.
The device approaches this problem by cleaning large amounts of industrial wastewater through 2 different processes, filtering and desalinating. The purpose of this is to clean the water as efficiently as possible so that it can be used once again either by the factory itself or by others, while at the same time remaining environmentally friendly. The functionality of the device will be demonstrated in the following videos. The first process of the device is carried out by the 3 individual filters attached to the bucket, which clean the water from large contaminants and lead this cleaner water into the bucket. The second process performed by the device consists of using a strong heat source, such as the sun's energy, to evaporate that water that is collected at the bottom of the bucket. This water will then be condensed at the plastic sheet, led into the Tupperware container through the pipe, and be finally poured out through the hose and collected.
The turbidity of the water before and after was tested using a turbidity meter built from a SparkFun kit. A calibration curve was used to convert the SparkFun light data to NTU values, which evaluates the turbidity of the water. The NTU value of the water before filtration and desalination was 5,183 and 3.2 after filtration and desalination.